Why don't we just sell the hardware for our invisible beds? At the Space Company, we believe every bed we create is more than just a piece of furniture. It's engineered safety for your home. One of the most common questions we get is, can I just buy the hardware and have my own carpenter install it? We hear this a lot, and our answer is always, no. Here's why that's actually a good thing for you. You see, an invisible bed is not just a bed, it's a feat of engineering. While it might look simple on the outside, it's a precision-engineered structure that carefully balances weight, safety, and movement. And when it comes to that engineering, your safety always comes first. A correct installation by our trained team ensures a secure wall mount, a perfectly level frame, and calibrated pistons. An incorrect installation, on the other hand, risks a tilted frame or misaligned pistons. Even a slight mistake can cause the bed to jam, tilt, or worse, collapse. This is a risk we are never willing to take. There's a hidden complexity that requires expert handling. Each invisible bed is customized based on critical factors: the structure of your specific wall, the bed size and weight, the precise tension of the mechanism, and overall safety alignment. It is not a one-size-fits-all solution. This professional attention to detail ensures durability you can trust. We have clients who have been using their invisible beds safely for over 10 years. This is only possible because every single installation we do is certified and rigorously tested. So, what's the bigger picture? We don't just sell hardware. We deliver a complete solution: peace of mind, engineering excellence, and most importantly, a safer home for your family. Ready to make your home smarter, safer, and more spacious? Let's talk.